Namhlanje mama ngeke ngibuye ekhaya ngasebenza khona ngizokwakhela umuzi wakho namhlanje mama ngeke ngilale ekhaya namhlanje mama ngeke ngibuye ekhaya ngasebenza khona ngizokwakhela umuzi wakho yimina themba lakho yimina themba lakho yimina Yimini themba lakho yimina themba lakho yimina
Sanibona
ithemba lakho mama
sanibona nonke ngiyanibingelela so ufikile umzuzu la sizoxoxisana khona nomfoka Masuku sizoxoxisana nomfoka Masuku mayelana nomsebenzi awenzayo uzobe ene launch. So we are basically going to be discussing with Siya Masuku about the launch that they are having as Siyafunda Online. This guy, we've had him recently. He's the most recent guest that I've had. Where we discussed about the importance of e-language, where we discussed about the importance of the work that he's doing. We're gonna be discussing again about something that he is cooking. He and his team are cooking for us. Yebo ambani yolanda abanye nibabize nizimpela nithamele la kunento enhle enzakalayo la so kungakuhle ukuthi sonke kambe kwenziwa kanjani la sithamele lenkulumo le nakhe Thembi ngiyangizwa nisho manje ngiyangizwa ngiyacabanga ngiyaswakala kodwa
let's see kunjani mfoka baba
sikhona njani la
kuyaphileka nsizwa ngizama ukuyifaka ku laptop lento ngoba izosinika a wider angle kodwa for some reason ngiyaxakeka it's not allowing me kodwa
nisho manje ngiyangizwa ngiyacabanga ngiyaswakala kodwa
kuyaphileka nsizwa ngizama ukuyifaka ku laptop lento okay ngathi ayisebenzi le ndaba ye laptop mfana ngicela usiphe isikhathi si adjust nje ifoni ne khona sobonakala
okay akunankinga bafo
okay
so we're not live yet, no one can see us.
Don't make it. Yeah, like that. Okay, sizame kanje ke.
Tilt it back a bit. Yeah.
Okay, njani my son for?
Hayi konke kuyakhanya ngapha ngakimi.
Number one. Okay.
Singabingelela ke singabingelela siqala uhlelo ngiqale ngibingelele mina ngoba nami bengingakabingeleli la kwabathamelele uhlelo uqamqakela imbulubelethu flathela bajike nayo intombi zimbuza uthani imbona ngehlula la mashiya amahle njengoyenyamazana umtyambo ubhala ngozipha abanye bhala ngempensela ngiyanibingelela nonke enithamelele uhlelo ngiyakuthokozela kakhulu ukuba nani ngenzeka ukuthi mhlambe selikudala nangigcina ngoba vele ngithe ukunyamalala ngale inhlelo zama live session so ngithi angibuye ngoba nakho impela siphethe ezimkantshubovu la siza nezindaba ezimnandi la noSiya abafowethu ngapha abasazozethula nabo ngicela nizethule abafowethu siqhubekele phambili.
Okay, mina nguSiya Masuku, ngingumbhali, ngumdwebi wezincwadi, phecelezi ama-graphic novels, uNjabulo, Emkhathini, Ulanga, neNkonhliziyo Ngise. And eceleni kwami la ngihlele nomfowethu uSithembiso uzozibika-ke ukuthi yena ungubani wenzani.
Yeah, mina sanibonani, igama lami uSithembiso Mpehle, and I am an animator. I'm the founder of eDipopeye Studios, both 2D and 3D animation studio. And umsebenzi wethu nje kwenza amapopayi. Kahle kahle senza amapopayi. And siyajabula ukuba nani namhlanje.
Hayi sibonge khona yabona uthi umsebenzi wakwenza amapopayi khona lento ke ya trend nje ku social media ukuthi umuntu uthi uyipopayi.
Yeah.
Ngiyabona nje ngathi impela hayi sithole imanufacturer yakho impela sisoxabana nawe ke manje. Hayi asiqhubekeni bafowethu sihlaleni odabeni la ngizwa ukuthi kunendaba ngizothini kunodaba enize nalo namhlanje lomayilana nelaunch uSiya wayeke wasithi nje halamuzi phambilini wasitshela ukuthi cha kunento ezayo ezokwenzeka kodwa ke manje njengoba ngathi seyiningi information mayelana nalezo inhlelo singathanda ukuthi nithi nje ukusipha kabanzi noma nisisikele nje kwelijikayo mayelana nalo.
Okay, so into esikhandayo lana mfokampela into esibiza ngokuthi motion comic. Angazi nokuthi soyithini ngesizulu kodwa sothola igama. Kodwa emotion comic is basically uthatha comic book injengoba injalo, imifanekiso injengoba injalo siyifake ku animation, kusho ukuthi akunakuthi siyayishintsha noma siqala kabusha noma kanjani. So mhlawumbe kuma comic njengoba nazi kuba lento ekuthiwa ama panel. Okay, each panel inendaba yayo. Okay, kuba mhlawumbe isibonisa mhlawumbe character in a certain scene iyenza ukuthize, but because mayibona encwadini isuke kuyisithombe ngithi isithombe esimile.
Yeah.
And then sithatha yona leyo panel injalo siyenze ukuthi leyo character leyo mhlawumbe imove noma yenzeni nama speech bubble noma avela mayikhuluma ubone nomlomo umove. So i-comic uyibona injengoba injalo ukuthi manje siyenza i-action, but I think the best person ongayi-explainer leyo nto before sibika ukuthi sizoyilauncha kuphi kanjani uSithembiso mhlawumbe sichazisele kabanzi ukuthi umsebenzi behind emotion comic kunjani.
Yeah, so njengoba umfowethu uSiya la asichazele into esiyenza lana is we are taking still frames, so ithombe ezinganyakazi, we taking those and we're making them move. Yabo example ngaba if umuntu yagijima isithombe somuntu ogijimayo thina senza ukuthi vele agijime njengoba sishilo senza amapopayi. Yabo. And ukuhlangana kwethu was based on that ngoba sibonile ukuthi in this day and age esikhathini esiningi ukufunda incwadi is not as exciting or interesting as ukubukela i-video. And siyabona vele abantwana these days they more what can I say, attracted to visuals that move and with sound as well, because ipopayi is not just a picture ithombe kuphela, it's also the sound, and that's good for early childhood development. Mawufuna vele umntwana afunde ulimi, they have to hear it, yabo. And thina sahlangana vele nomfowethu la uSiya and sayikhuluma le ndaba ukuthi as we think it's best that we take these books that exist that he has created swayenze vele into a different medium, which is amapopayi animation, to reach a broader and a much larger audience yabantwana, also to just spread the word better, yabo. Angazi yenza sense I think so yinto esihlanganisile namhlanje vele, and that's what we're excited to discuss this project ye kwanhliziyo ngise esisebenza kuyo manje.
Kuzokwenzeka ke njengami nje ngoba ngithe manichaza la washo bafo ukuthi uthatha isithombe esimile bese noma encwadini esimile kufanele ukuthi uyasiphilisa lesithombe usinilo sibe siyakwazi ukunyakaza, siyakwazi ukukhuluma, siyakwazi ukuphila basically. So ngibuze nje out of curiosity, kuyenzeka yini lokho ake sithi naku ngifuna nje ukuthatha isithombe samkhulu lapha ngifuna ukuthi sikhulume, sengakhuluma naso?
Yebo bafo. So zonke le ithombe lezi singayenza ukuthi vele sikhulume. This is the time that we are in manje yabo, isikhathi sibuso manje, and that thing is very possible. Umsebenzi wethu loyo.
Hey, usually mos vele singamapopayi vele ni mos vele.
Mase amapopayi sikhuluma ngamapopayi.
Amapopayi serious. Hayi into yokudlala.
Kodwa ke ngiyayithanda lento ngoba uma ngiyibheka futhi ngiyibheka nasohlangothini lokuthi siyafunda, and kunale stereotype mentality ethi uma ngabe sithi azibuyele silungise la ikaningi abantu baye bathi asibuyele emasisweni, lokho kahle ngokwesiZulu lokho ku incorrect, kumele kuthiwa azibuyele emaseleni. So uma ngabe ake sithi uma ngabe sixoxa nje sithi azibuyele emaseleni, esikhathini esiningi umuntu uvela acabange ukuthi hey sesibuyele ezintweni zakudala, sesizama ukugqoka amabheshu manje, sesizama ukubuyela engathini zoshaka. Kanti le ndlela enibeka ngayo noma le ndlela eniupresenta ngayo lo msebenzi ubonakalisa ukuthi sisengabuyela emuva kodwa sibe siqhubekela phambili. Komunye ngeke kuzwakale lokho, kodwa basically what I'm seeing ukuthi you are going back in terms of adapting in the functions or functionability yezinto zasendulo, bese uyazibuyisa uzibuyise enkathini yamanje. Ngibekise nje njengakho ukuthi traditionally sazi ukuthi incwadi le yona le yama comics uma uyifunda vele ngizothini it's all in your head ukuthi singafunda incwadi eyodwa kodwa siyibone ngokwehluka emqondweni wethu. Uzothothi wena ubona lo muntu lo ngibekise uSigantsonzo, ubona uSigantsonzo umbone isigora, wena mina ngimbona engesona isigora kodwa mhlambe umuntu nje onawo lawo mandla noma onalo lolo dlame. Uyabo behluke kithi sobabili until sibona isithombe. Mase sibona isithombe sesiyazi ukuthi okay lo muntu umuntu kanje, but manje we are wondering ukuthi how does his voice sound, uhamba kanjani, how does he walk, what is his pattern, what is his fashion, yabona konke nje lokho. Nokuthi okunye futhi engicoshayo la njengoba busachaza kunye ngicoshile ukuthi ukubaleka kokuportraya ulwimi in a motion way, let me put it that way, ukuthi ngendlela yezithombe noma yefilimu ukuthi ngale ndlela enenza ngayo sesizokwazi ukuthi instead of ukuthi khona into engiphazamisa kabi lapha uma ngabe sibheka ifilimu le yaShaka Zulu. Kukhona lapha umangalo ukuthi manje lo Shaka Zulu ukhuluma isingisi iziyophela lento ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani manje uthi hawo kanti waye uShaka Zulu kanjani noma waye uChaka Zulu. So uma ngabe sibheka ngale ndlela eniza ngayo yinhle kakhulu futhi iyancomeka le approach eniqhamuka ngayo ukuthi ake sithathe lo daba le indaba lezi esesizibhalile sibese sizipresenta ngalo futhi ulwimi lasekhaya ngoba khona okunye okwake kwaqhakambiswa lapha usiya kule interview yaphambilini ukuthi ulwimi lubalulekile njengolwimi lwasekhaya lubalulekile ukuthi silwazi and then sikwazi futhi nokuthi silehlukanise ezilwimini zangaphandle noma ngaphandle kwasekhaya. So uma ngabe usekhaya into enjengamafilimu izinto abantwana kaningi bazibuka uma besekhaya zothothi umama uyapheka lapha uyaphazamiseka ekuphekeni mangabe ezonaka umntwana and then amnikeze maybe i-tablet athi akabukele lapha ku YouTube. Lokho akubuka lapha ku YouTube ubuya nalesingisi manje usezobuya nabo because la nabo just
yabo
kanti uma ngabe sesikhona ke ngizothi sezikhona imfanekiso eqoshiwe ezoveza ulwimi noma ezoveza umnotho wolwimi. Okunye okwenzakalayo lapho ukuthi umntwana akafundi kuphela ulwimi kodwa ufunda kambe bathini lento ngizothini i-posture ye-language noma i-posture ye-expression ukuthi uma ngabe umuntu ethi yayi wena kunolaka noma kunaleyo kunaloku kucasuka ukusuke kukhona noma ethi hey wena uyabo kunomehluko nakuma-tone nani
ama-tone bengisacabanga nje ngesizulu yini i-tone
kuzomele siyicwaninge leyo
yeah
kuzomele siyicwaninge leyo so from that noma from lokho esikutholayo lapho singathanda ukuthi sibe sizwa ngakini noma ngakuwe ukuthi kuwo lo msebenzi ukuthatha lezithombe uziphendule ifilimu athi ngibeke nje kanjalo uthi ukuthatha kwakhe izithombe ube noma i-comic book ubese uyiphendula ifilimu. How far do you think ngoba ngikuzwile ukuthi you aiming to reach a bigger audience, how far do you think ukuthi izohamba kusiya phambilini sike sakhuluma nge-age ngama-ages noma target groups for incwadi. So in terms of amafilimu la ngoba phela kusekhona abafowethu nje impela asebevela nempandla kodwa basabuka o-Dragon Balls manje ngapha ngakule ngakulo olweni uhlelo ngabe siyayibona into enjalo yenzeka ngabe siyakubona leyo ntshisekelo nalolo gqozi lokulandelela lwenzeka.
yeah
Okay, so kunjalo mfowethu I think into ebaluleke kakhulu ukuthi ngiqale nje la iqale khona. I'm hoping ukuthi ngizoyibamba yonke into oyishiye. Into ebaluleke kakhulu bafethu ukuthi sithathe amalimi wethu siwabeke ku internet. Okay, ngicela nje ukuba blunt kanjalo. Kubalulekile because njengoba usho mfethu mhlawumbe ubaba nawe ubusy lapha endlini uyenza kwenzayo nomama nawe ubusy lapha ekhaya uyenza kwenzayo. Angeke sonke isikhathi sibe sibhekene nezingane sibacupha ukuthi lo wenzayo. Uzomnika nje iPad njengoba ushilo mfethu umnika iPad uthi na YouTube, you know.
Yeah.
And 9 times out of 10 siyazi uyothola oboba besingisi. I mean uyothola uGulubize Dragon, Bunny and Friends zonke lezo, you know. Ngisho nabo Dragon Ball Z angeke umthole nje ngesizulu, you know.
Yeah.
Noma ngamanye amalimi, you know. So kubalulekile bafethu ukuthi we put matters into our own hands. Sizenzeleni thina njengabantu, sizenzele izindaba zethu in our own languages nemfanekiso esijwayele and put it on the internet because sifuna ukuthi nakusasa ingane na 5 or na 10 maye ku Google ivele i-search nje mhlambe uzo-searcha deliberately athi Zulu stories or Setswana stories. It's important ukuthi azithole lezo ndaba, you know. So ngibeke lapha in terms of reach yazi i-benefit ye-print yokuprinta izincwadi ukuthi incwadi mayifikile la umuntu ngiyakwazi ukuthi nginike usithe ngithi esithe nansi incwadi awuyibheke lapha whereas into mayiku-internet ukuthi kumele ngimthumele i-link then nakhona kuya ngokuthi unayo idatha nakhona ngenzeka athi okay ngizobuye ngiyibheke yabo akufani noma phethe incwadi angavela ayivule njengoba siya doesn't need internet ayidingi lutho ayidingi electricity ayidingi load shedding zonke lezi zinto so izincwadi they have their benefits advantage yebo nakhona ku-internet i-reach that's the biggest advantage ye-internet ukuthi umuntu noma ngabe use-Portugal noma ngabe use eKenya uyakwazi ukuthi uye online uthi nansi le ncwadi le ingesivenda angazi noma ngiyibiza kahle but ingesivenda and then ngiyakwazi ukuyifunda futhi iza nama-subtitles and then now futhi siyayibona ne-motion ama-character kuyamuva nani ukuzophuma kuwena ukuthi mase uyithandile kakhulu leyo ndaba ufuna incwadi uqobolayo and because also ikhona lento ukuthi ucollect izincwadi you know and I do suspect ukuthi sofika isikhathi lapho our own stories ngamalimi ethu they are filling up the internet but kwamanje it's not the case you know and these are the things we are trying to challenge ukuthi it could be one story today mara kodwa mhlambe leyo one story siyathemba ukuthi without only izingane also inspire other creators mabayibona ku internet good normal this is what we should be doing bafethu you know so not only for the children so this is the rich part it's not only for izingane but also for the grown-ups to be aware that this content is available there are storytellers who are storytelling in indigenous languages there are animators who are animating in indigenous languages zikhona lezo zinto nina nje you must just open up yourselves ukuthi nisifune nizosithola angazibona kanjani sithe
ngivumelana nawe bafo I think more than just because right now into yenzakalayo bayibiza i-dubbing right where uzothola i-story esibhalwe maybe omunye umuntu wase-America and then mase sifika la leso story into bayenza nje kuphela ukuthi bayasidaba if that's even the right way
njengoba Snow White I mean sorry ungena manje Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs so awazi bazombiza ngesizulu
yes
ikhona imhlophe but so yizo lezo zinto there are some things we cannot even dub we cannot translate you know
yabo and more than anything it's into ebalekile is just for us to tell our stories in our language yabo there's an impact lapho kuna something ebalekile lapho into ebalekile and I think into esiyenza manje is literally that yabo sitshela istories zethu yabo
manje ngoba nichaza ke ake ngibuze nje la telling our stories in our languages will this be telling our stories in our languages is only the focus on the language or are we also trying to present amanye ama perspectives noma ama aspects ethu njengabantu mangisho njalo ngisho ukuthini ngisho izinto ezinjengokuthi ngabe lama stories ngizothi actelwa kuphi ngabe sibona usiya wabekisa phambili ukuthi njengo Frozen sibona abantu aba-actela endaweni amaqhwa in the areas or spaces that we don't relate to so engabe lezi enisizela nazo zizokwazi ukurelate kithi and also how far will they relate ngabe sizobona insizwa lapha egqoka ibheshu noma sizoyibonela insizwa egqoka i-All Star like ngizama ukuthi ngabe sobona umuntu wamanje noma sobona umuntu wakudala noma sobona owakudala nowamanje nenqubekela phambili
no mina ngibona ngathi kubalekile ukubonisa wonke umuntu wakudala umuntu wamanje nomuntu waphambili. But the main focus would be umuntu wamanje, angithi, because if asenze so, le ncwadi le esibiza ngayo inhliziyo ngise, a story about a young girl, you know, ophila esikhathini samanje. Yabo? So now the way agqoke ngakhona, the way angakhona is designed njengomuntu, so ingane mazimbona they can see themselves. Because must focus nje ebantwini abadala or the past, it's hard sometimes to relate. You must focus in the future. It's also kuba nzima to relate to that. So when you see something that's like you, njengabo Frozen, it's into zamanje unayo incwadi yakhona. Yabo?
So you know anihliziyo ngise le. Njengoba nimbona uLanga angazi ngesizwe mhlawumbe ngathi it's contemporary. Isikhathi samanje.
Right.
Njengoba nimbona la incwadi angazi noma niyabona kahle. And njengoba asho sithe ukuthi kubalekile ukuthi sikwazi ukusibamba isikhathi samanje nakhona singasilahli esakudala. Sikwazi ukuthi sizilethe zonke sihlanganise siqhubeke siphambili.
Okay, singene la kulo omunye futhi umbuzo oqhamukayo wokuthi ake ngithathe la ngibingelele bo Slay o Penelope sijwayele Slay Queen thina singamabhinca manje no Simnikiwe omvelodi uthi Slay Bhinca, are we going to be able to connect with nature through your content?
I think ibambekele umbuzo omuhle kakhulu loyo. Yebo because isetting sikhulumile kancane ngesetting ukuthi mhlawumbe le ndaba zangale uzobabona in the snow nakonke lokho, whereas isetting kanhliziyo ngise it's literally ekhaya Kabulanga and then nasemkhathini ke uLanga ke ugcina afikile emkhathini kulapho ke alandela inhliziyo yakhe khona. So in terms of
nature ngisokulapha emkhathini
semkhathini and the interesting thing about the story Skalanga is that ngisho nayo injabulo is that i-challenge engayithola lapho ukuthi ngifunde izinto ezifana nokuthi emkhathini kuningi nje esingakujwayelanga thina njengabantu okusemkhathini ukubiza ngamagama wesintu and akhona lawo magama ukuthi asijwayelanga yabo. So ukusebenza kule project nami sesikhuluma manje ngezinto ezemvelo nami kungifundise ukuthi ngizibuze man ukuthi okay semkhathini la yini ke le or inkanyezi okay asiphumeni ke mhlambe siye masithi sesikhuluma manje ngezinto mhlambe ngesingisi kuzothi bazibiza metaphysics noma yini. Let's go to another universe. What is another universe? You know, yini universe ngesizulu. Okay, now magama afike again, and if I'm correct umthala ngathi umthala universe, but please ni check in lapho nani kusichazamazwi. Kodwa these are the things I learned nami in terms of imvelo, and not just imvelo la emhlabeni but emhlabeni wonke jikelele. Angazi ngifuna ungena sithe.
No, ngivumelana nawe
kunjalo. All right, so la uma niqhubeka la into eniphawulile futhi ukuthi kuzoba nama subtitles uma ngabe uqhubeka umdlalo kushuthi kuzoba namagama nje achazayo ukuthi okay ahumushayo ukuthi lo muntu lo uthi ngabe lawo ma subtitles azoba ngolwimi lwebele ngaluphi ulwimi basically azoba ngaluphi ulwimi
ngesingisi ukuze abantu bazi ukuthi le story lesithini. It's just ngoba asifuni ukulimita nje izitori zethu to one language or one tribe or one group of people. Sifuna vele bonke abantu babe involved. We want to get as many people as possible because we feel good to late story lesikhuluma esizenzayo manje are very, how can I say, universal. Yeah, and we want everyone good enough, but 22 to experience our language, to experience our stories. Yeah, so ama subtitles wona swabhala ngesingisi kodwa ilimi lethu nje sikhuluma isiZulu throughout iPopeye.
Ngezwakala
Amagama amanye vele njengami njengomZulu angwazi, so mangifunda ngesingisi ngiyabona
ligama lishukungu
ngoba usiyabekesho manje ukuthi universe akazi ukuthi yini universe.
Yeah,
Then nalapho uyakwazi ukufunda.
Yeah, no, ngezwakala. So mina ake sithi nakhu ngiwumzali uyabona one of the problems esiba nawo ilezi zokuthi ayikho enough noma there isn't that much connection kubantwana nabazali ngezathu eziningi mthothi mhlambe abazali bayasebenza bonke so ingane nje kuseni ihanjiswa ku daycare noma ishiya kunini kubuywe makubuywa abantu bayabhizi bayapheka ubaba ufunda iphepha noma kwenzakalani babhizi abantu, so there isn't that connection between the child nabazali. In your story noma in this film, in this project, let me say, how or what is your contribution in terms of fixing that, or is it even an existing problem in during the whole course of creating this project?
Ngicela iphinde yazi
Okay. Kunobaba Mpila la noma Mpila bayasebenza bamatasa kakhulu, abasitholi isikhathi esanele ukuthi babhekane nengane noma baxoxisane nayo, yabo bayinika umlando bayifundise basically. Lo lwimi lo lesithi ulwimi lebele asekho isikhathi sokuthi bayifunze, unina ayifunze ngebele leyo ngane lo lwimi. So umbuzo wami mina usuthi ke ngabe through le project yenu ngabe kukhona yini esingakuthola okungasiza in terms of ukuxazulula leyo nkinga leyo?
Okay, ngibona ukuthi inhloso yayo i-animation is that is to relieve abazali or thina abantu badala from ukuthi kumele sihlale sila sibonise izingane ukuthi zenze, ngoba eqinisweni izingane they just need an iPad. Yonke into noma iphone noma icomputer, yonke into manje ise-screening, especially for the youth, yabo.
Yeah.
And ngiyathemba ukuthi le ndlela yokuthi sithathe izindaba sizibeke digital, it makes it also easier for abazali ukuthi even if they want izingane to play with the computer noma iphone, bakwazi ukuthi still babe tuned in to izinto ezibhekane namasiko noma ulimi lebele, izinto ezinjalo, which is different ngencwadi. In fact kunezingane ezingafuni incwadi, you know, and i-experience yami ukuthi ingane wavele wayinika incwadi ukuthi ifunde, uyamstressa, you know. Ukufunda kufana nani, kufuna injwayelo, you know. Kumele uyithande lento mawuyifunda,
Unihehe lento.
yes. So ngesinye isikhathi the best way ukuthi ukufaka njengomzali mawufuna ukufaka ingane emfundweni, you must start first la ayithanda khona, you know, and la ayithanda khona kuphi, kulapha ku-screening, uqale lapho, and makayithanda leyo ndaba, the same story mangamnika ngencwadi uzoyithokozela, uyabo. Ngokuthi noma even if it wasn't just digital, mhlambe eplay esikoleni kuneplay mhlambe, ngiyakhumbula ngisasengane ngisase primary school i-Wizard of Oz bengayazi ukuthi incwadi, bengiyazi njengeplay yabo. Besiyenza njengeplay ke si-act sonke stage, and then jikijikina sekumabona ngose-TV yabo. Mawukhulu yabo noyiqala incwadini le ndaba.
Yeah.
So yizo lezi zinto where we need to understand ukuthi zikuphi izingane namhlanje. Okay, one zikuma plays, zikuma puppeteers, zikuma toys, ziku digital, zisema gaming. Ekugcineni nje sisencwadini. There are special children abasithandela incwadi, mara ubuningi babo basifuna kulezi zinto lezi ezisheshayo lezi yabo. Kulapho kumele sizibeke khona izindaba, the same stories lezi sisifaka ku print, kumele ziqale ziye lapha khona, and then gradually ngiyathemba ukuthi sokwazi ukuthi sibalethe la ezincwadini, ngoba I still believe ukuthi ezincwadini kula kubaluleke kakhulu. The books are really important, more than just storytelling. I-function yencwadi in terms of isithombe simile. Mawubona nje isithombe mhlambe singibekise ubona isithombe salomuntu lo, you can even decide ukuthi lo muntu uyahamba, and then so uzibuza okuningi ukuthi okay uhamba uyapi, just that so qala indaba yakho, which is probably unrelated to lesithombe. Uyangizwa ngithini? This is why books are important, because a still image can tell 1,000 pictures. It teaches izingane to be imaginative, to be able to create their own stories, whereas sometimes izinto esizibona ku TV sezitshela yonke into. Yes, kumnandi kodwa zinokuvilaphisa, kunokuvilapha lapho kancane. So a balance of both is necessary.
Kuyazwakala Zwide. Ngithi ke singageqi magulayo ngoba asemuki. Ake ngicela nje ukuthi nisipheke okay imininingwane mayelana nale launch ezokwenzeka, abantu bangayithola kuphi kanjani, yeah.
Okay, so i-launch mhlazingo 31st October. Ikhona indawo ekuthiwa The Bioscope. Mangabe use-Joburg noma you are familiar with i-Joburg, i-Bioscope used to be eMaboneng. Manje ishiftile ke seyise-44 Stanley eMill Park nase-Auckland Park. I-Bioscope it's a 47-seater. It's got 47 seats. Kodwa ke because nakhona sibhekeke indaba ze-COVID, COVID mhlawumbe ngibeke kanjalo.
Kambe kuthiwa igama lakho kahle lesizulu khona engilizwile kuthiwa uGwimbici.
uGwimbici.
Ayilela kodwa sokuchaza lila.
Ilesiphethe sisiphethe sokuGwimbici. So sizama ukuthi silimite ama-attendees to 30, ngoba kakhulu abantu abazali yabo, it's people from different walks of life, so indaba ukuthi sikwazi ukuthi kube ne-spacing between the seats yabo. Kodwa ke manizeni umndeni ningahlala ninonke in your section, so kuzoba na 2 sections, and the imininingwane sizoyikhipha within the next week, so kwazi ukuthi siroll out okuningi. Kodwa the first session iqala ngo-10 ekuseni iphele ngo-10:30, okay, and then session yesibili iqala ngo-10:30 iphele ngo-11 ekuseni. So there are 2 sections ngalelo langa, and there's going to be a surprise so unveil kodwa closer to isikhathi se-launch, and that is the main launch. Kodwa I think also I think it's balekile ukuthi bazi ne-screening esisenzayo next week Saturday, ne?
Yeah, kodwa lena it's just since screening just a pre-test prior to the final launch forever, and sibenzela Greenside studio la sibenzela khona eziDipopa Studios, and ilapho ke nje sobe sibiza abantu simema abantu ukuthi bazi nje bazobona nathi basitshele ukuthi bacabangani ngalo msebenzi esiwenza bayawuthanda noma bazizwa ngathi khona izinto ezishodayo maybe singazama nje ukufaka okunye nje just to make it better. But so next week Saturday yeah, and nakhona vele same thing, but the main one in 31st October njengoba ubafo aqeda date ne
31st
yeah.
And kuzoba namatikiti adayiswayo 50 rand ikhanda. Kodwa njengoba ngishilo wonke umniningwane izobe ikhona, you'll be able to go to cricket in cricket.co.za mangicabanga and then ukwazi ukuthola itikiti lakho. Yeah,
ake sithi nje eminingi imininingwane sekuyomele balandele abantu ku siyafunda online.
Yebo.
Sibathola imininingwane ephelele. Kambini bengicabanga la ngoba nisakhuluma nje ngalo uyabona lento ukuthi uimagine ukuthi okay kuyoba kanje. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi ngikhumbula lapha sisafunda isikolo thina kuseza obani laba Simba Sasco kube khona nje
nicknames
nicknames uyabona. Naye yabuza hayi futhi mhlawumbe singalindela nje ama surprise athi abe njalo nalapha.
Hayi khuleka mfowabo baba.
Oseku advanced even.
Khuleka mfowabo baba, kuningi okuzayo. Kuningi. Siyaqala
abantu abeza beze nabantwana babo imindeni yabo. Hayi kimi ngiyacabanga ukuthi sengithola okwanele for lusuku namhlanje. Abantu abafuna ukulandela noma abafuna ukulandela lohlelo lolu ngicela balandele @siyafunda online noma balandele umfowethu uSiya yeah, and then bazokwazi ukuthi bathole kahle yonke imininingwano. Angazi noma ikhona ilona yamapopayi
iDipopayi. So yeah, nathi nje ningasilandela ku Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, iDipopayi Studios. Dipopayi Studios. Yeah, sikhona nathi kulezo ndawo, and sizobe sivele zonke into ozoyithola kuSiya nathi sizoyiphusha kuma platforms wethu. Yeah.
Hayi sibonge manje ukubambisana, futhi sibonge nanokubona ngasolinye ukuvumelana kwenu ukuthi cha nayi indaba ake sidlulise noma ake siyikhulise ngalendlela, sisebenzise ubuciko esinabo sibuhlanganyele, ngoba kuhlangene nokuzehlisa, kuhlangene nobuntu. That is one of the main foundations eziletha inhlanhla noma ezibonisa ubuhle bomsebenzi ozokwenzeka. Uma ngabe kunobuhiqihiqi lapha ezimpandeni, isihlahla ngeke size sithele kahle. So uma ngabe kubanjiswene ezimpandeni, cha konke okuzophuma lapho noma kungaphuma nje iholintshi libe lodwa, hayi sizojabula kodwa ngenxa nje yokuthi kubambiseneke kahle lapha phansi. So nathi siwumphakathi, sengikhulumela umphakathi ngathi ngiyimeya. Nathi umphakathi siyabonga ukuthi niqala umsebenzi onje, engathi amathongo noNkulunkulu banganipha amandla ukuthi uqhubeke lo msebenzi futhi ukhule, singawugcini nje kuphela mhlawumbe ngolwimi oluthile, kodwa kwande izilimi ezinye futhi zesintu, kuphinde futhi kukhule, njengoba bengibekisa nje ukuthi Dragon Balls kunama series, ngizothini, kune episode yama Dragon Balls engingakaze ngiyibuke ngize ngibe ngaka, noma ngangiwabuka kodwa sekukhona engingakaze ngibuke kuze kube namhlanje. So nakini sifisa ukuthi umsebenzi wenu ukhule ngaleyo ndlela yokuthi umningi uyakwazi ukuthi ube present in each and every newborn child's life, with a different story but same content, kube ne consistency, kube nokukhula. Sibonge kakhulu. Hayi sengingagoqa ke noma seningavalelisa and then sigoqa.
Mina ngiyabonga nje, ngibonga lethuba bafo sokukhuluma nje nani, simchazele ukuthi senzani. siyafisa nje ukuthi you can follow us on our social platforms, Dipopai Studios, siyafunda, and just keep following us. Sizonikeza nje ama-updates because nathi nje njengoba ushilo bafo siyasebenza lana, siyaqala. Siyaqala, you know. There's still a lot more esazokwenza and sidinga vele umphakathi ukuthi usupporte nathi sokwazi ukwenza into vele izoba ne-impact kahle yabo. So from my side ngiyabonga and looking forward to more engagements nani.
Njengoba sebekile mfowethu Nampehle, nansi-ke incwadi ibizwa ikwanhliziyo ngise, and sizoyishintsha ngayo kube i-motion comic, so izotholakala digitally, izotholakala nge-print. Sibonge kuwe Mfokampila, sibonge kakhulu mfowethu nabalandeli ukuthi nisinike ithuba, nisinike isikhathi senu, amadlebe enu, kakhulukazi izinhliziyo zenu, siyabonga kakhulu. Nisilandeleni, nizothola yonke into eningwane eniyidingayo Makwande.
Hayi, Makwande kukhanye kube mhlophe, siyabonga kakhulu bafowethu.
Okay, yizo bafo.